Good morning, friend. Welcome to the Data Ki Pathshala. And let's start the video for learn donut chart. How to create a donut chart. Yeah. This video will be in English language. And for creating the donut chart, first we have to find out the visualization pane. Here you can see that there is a visualization pane. And in visualization pane, I have to click donut chart in circle. You can see by clicking the donut chart, the one icon is appear in the report view, and there is a legend value. In value we have to drop down, drag and drop some count some numbers value. So in fact in call center I have a AM at night, PM1, PM2, and in calls I have some numbers of calls. So I will use shift and calls. There's a two data field and we will use here. So first of all, calls, drag and drop to the value field. Here you can see the total call record appears in donut. The second thing I have to do, shift. I have to drag and drop shift to the legend. You can see the donut chart have been created and legend appear right hand side along with slices of their portion. We have to adjust. We can adjust here. Now it is appears in the fine manner. This is our donut chart. We can do some formatting also. So for formatting, we have to go format visual. You can see title is appear in the left side, and we can adjust title, and we can format title as well. So for formatting, we have to go to format your visual, click on it, then on general and title, and here in text you can change your title accordingly. Donut chart, and come by putting down, you can align horizontally align your title and adjust your font. So here the title formatted, we have central aligned our title. Here the legend is coming not seeing good, so we can adjust also legend also. So in format your visual, come to visual, and under visual there is a legend option you can see right in right hand side. So click on it. There is a position central, currently it's a center right, so we can adjust. Click on top left. Now on slices, click on slices. There's every slices have some color aligned assigned, so you can change slicer color accordingly. You can see blue is coming for PM2. So click on it, we can change to some other color. You can see in report view color has been changed for PM2. We can adjust also data level also. So for adjusting data level, click on data levels, and under data levels there is a visual value field. So click on auto to none. So you can see the value is coming in full number, in complete proper number. Now we can adjust in there. There is a multiple formatting option here for every visual and donor chart as well. So why we use donor chart? So there is a perfect scenario coming across. So click on card visual. Suppose I have to show the total donor chart value, total calls number. So for that, click on card and drag and drop calls field, and then adjust their call value. Now card has been created, and naming some total calls, so that every viewer can understand what is the total number of calls and their segregation. So adjust a card inside the donut circle. So this is the reason why we use donut chart, because in donut chart we can populate some card visuals also inside the donut, so that it is the complete information about the field we are using, the value we are using, that it's a total appear in the inside the donut, and in slices there is a segregation of total value. So I hope you have learned a lot, and please subscribe my channel Data Ki Pathshala, and so that I get motivated and will make video in English language also. Thank you.